Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Head T.S6 Tennis Racket, an ultralight, oversized graphite titanium racket designed for easy power and forgiving play. At around $99, this racket offers excellent value for beginners and intermediate players who want effortless power without spending a premium. The T.S6 features an extra-large 115 SQ in head size, giving you a huge sweet spot for more consistent shots. Its 27.75-inch extended length helps generate extra leverage and power on serves. Weighing only 8.9 ounces, it's extremely lightweight, making it easy to swing and reducing arm fatigue. The graphite plus titanium construction provides a solid mix of stability and shock absorption. It also comes pre-strung, so you can start playing right away with no setup needed. Pros: very lightweight, powerful on contact, huge sweet spot, beginner-friendly, arm-friendly feel. Cons: less control for advanced players, can feel a bit too powerful on precise shots, not ideal for heavy spin specialists. Overall, the Head T.S6 is a great choice if you want easy power, comfort, and forgiveness on the court. Number 4. Meet the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly, lightweight recreational racket built for easy learning and fun play. At just around $36.99, it's a very budget-friendly option, making it ideal for beginners or casual players who want solid performance without spending much. The Tour Slam comes with a large oversized head, which helps create a bigger sweet spot for more forgiving hits. Its lightweight frame, about 1 pound, makes it easy to swing and reduces arm strain during long sessions. Built with a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber, it offers decent durability and stability for its price range. The pre-strung setup means you can start playing immediately. It also has V-Matrix technology, which improves power and shot consistency for beginners learning control. Pros: very affordable, beginner-friendly, large sweet spot, lightweight, easy to use right away. Cons: limited control for advanced players, less spin potential, not as durable or precise as higher-end rackets. Overall, the Wilson Tour Slam is a great entry-level racket for casual players or beginners learning the game. Number 3. Meet the Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 Performance Tennis Racket, a lightweight, control-focused racket built for intermediate players who want precision and feel. At around $139, it sits in the mid-range category, offering premium Pro Staff control and feel at a more accessible price than pro-level frames. This racket uses braided 45 graphite construction, which improves stability and gives a more connected feel on contact. At just 9.49 ounces, it's very maneuverable, making it easier to swing quickly at the net and on defense. The 97 SQ in head size, typical Pro Staff control frame, focuses on precision rather than raw power. It comes pre-strung with Wilson Sensation 16 string at mid-tension, offering a balanced mix of comfort and playability right away. Designed for intermediate players, it emphasizes touch, control, and shot accuracy over easy power. Pros: excellent control, very stable feel for its weight, great maneuverability, premium Pro Staff feedback, ready to play out of the box. Cons: less forgiving sweet spot, not power-friendly for beginners, requires good technique to fully benefit. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 is ideal for developing players who want control, precision, and a classic Pro Staff feel in a lighter frame. Number 2. Meet the Head GeoSpeed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight, beginner-friendly racket designed for easy power and comfortable play. At around $54.99, it sits in the affordable beginner range, offering solid performance and good build quality for casual or new players. The GeoSpeed features a 27.5-inch extended length, which helps generate extra power and reach on shots. Its titanium frame with graphite shaft provides a mix of strength, flexibility, and shock absorption. The lightweight balanced design makes it easier to swing, especially for beginners still developing timing. It comes pre-strung, so you can start playing immediately without extra setup. The oversized head design gives a larger sweet spot, making off-center hits more forgiving. Pros: easy power, beginner-friendly, forgiving sweet spot, lightweight feel, good value for price. Cons: limited precision for advanced players, not ideal for heavy spin or competitive control, basic build compared to higher-end rackets. Overall, the Head GeoSpeed is a solid starter racket for beginners who want comfort, power, and ease of use. Number 1. Meet the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a lightweight, beginner-friendly racket built for easy power and casual play. At just around $36.99, it's one of the most budget-friendly tennis rackets, giving solid value for beginners or recreational players. This racket features a large oversized head, helping you get a bigger sweet spot for more forgiving shots. The lightweight aluminum frame with carbon fiber shaft gives a mix of easy handling and decent stability. Its 0.68 pounds ultralight design makes it very easy to swing, even for new players. It comes pre-strung and ready to use, so you can start playing immediately. Designed for all skill levels, it focuses more on comfort and fun than advanced precision. Pros: very affordable, extremely lightweight, beginner-friendly, large sweet spot, easy to use right away. Cons: limited control for advanced play, lower durability compared to premium rackets, not ideal for competitive performance. If you're looking for a cheap and easy starter racket, the Wilson Tour Slam is a great pick. Check the link in the description for the best price. Like this video and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.